Hey, what's up everybody? Chris back with another Proto Tech Tip, and for this week, I'm going to talk about bare metal finishes and why you might want to apply them to your custom parts. So, let's get into it. Now at Protocase and ProtoSpace Mfg, we offer a number of different finishing options depending on your project requirements. We offer several different functional finishes like chemical conversion coating, anodizing, and passivation, which definitely enhance the performance of a metal part. And on the other hand, we also have powder coating for both function and aesthetics, which is widely recognized as the industry standard for painting metal, providing a top quality, highly durable finish. And for our focus today, among our high-velocity mass customization capabilities is the ability to add bare metal finishes and still fully custom manufacture your parts and enclosures within an ultra-fast lead time of just 2 to 3 days. So you're probably wondering, well, why should I use a bare metal finish? What's the point? While a bare metal finish might sound like a minimalistic aesthetic choice, it's much more than that. Whether you're working on aerospace components, automotive parts, or any other custom manufacturing projects, bare metal finishes can play a crucial role in ensuring optimal performance, durability, and usability. A bare metal finish refers to a component that has been left in its natural state without any coatings, paints, or platings. Depending on the manufacturing process, it may still be polished, brushed, or grained to enhance its appearance and durability, but it does remain free of any additional surface treatments. Now let's talk through some of the reasons why you might want a bare metal finish applied on your custom parts. Engineers often go for a bare metal finish when they want to highlight the natural look and feel of the material. If you're looking to let the material's true character shine, then you might want to use such a finish. Since bare metal finishes don't chip or peel, they're also much easier to maintain over time. A bare metal finish is especially handy for prototyping, field repairs, or tweaking your custom parts or enclosures at a later date. Now additionally, certain metals like stainless steel, aluminum, and copper naturally resist corrosion and might not require any extra finishing. In that case, it does make sense to use a bare metal finish. Next, if you're working with tight tolerances, then a bare metal finish will help because they don't introduce the extra thicknesses of a coating or plating. Now for instance, when powder coating, it's key to account for an additional 0.03 of an inch on each side. Now also, one of the most apparent perks of using a bare metal finish is its cost efficiency. By skipping extra steps like powder coating or plating, you can cut down on the overall cost. If sustainability is important to you, then adding a bare metal finish is a great option as it skips the need for chemical coatings, paints, or platings, which means less waste during manufacturing. Now at Protocase and ProtoSpace Mfg, we offer 4 bare metal finish options: grain finish, vibratory finish, media blasting, and no finish. Now as the name suggests, no finish means the parts are left just as they are after fabrication. To compare and contrast a little bit, no finish is ideal for parts where cosmetics is not a priority. Meanwhile, a grain finish is usually applied to parts where a sleek professional appearance is important. Vibratory finish, on the other hand, is ideal for parts needing smooth edges for safety and functionality, like machine parts that will undergo further processing. Finally, media blasting is used for parts requiring a non-reflective finish or perfectly clean surface before treatments like anodizing or coating. Some of these bare metal finishes can also enhance processes like chemical conversion coating and anodizing. Grained or vibratory finishes ensure a uniform surface for consistent chemical conversion coating, while media blasting creates a slightly rough surface ideal for strong anodizing adhesion without compromising aesthetics. Now remember, we handle all of these finishes in-house, so we can manufacture your part, panel, bracket, or enclosure and give it a bare metal finish all within 2 to 3 days. That's it for this week's Proto Tech Tip. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like or share it with someone who may find this topic useful. Please comment below or send us an email at info@protocase.com or info@protospacemfg.com if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips coming your way every Tuesday. Until next time, take care.